Hi, it's Ashleigh from Sweet Dreams Bake Shop, and welcome back to my channel where I make a lot of cake and cookie decorating tutorials as well as give a lot of baking business tips. And we are back for another day of Vlogmas. And what you can expect from the next few days is there's going to be a lot of buttercream used in these cupcake tutorials. Not a whole lot of fun, and we did the fun more so earlier in the beginning of the series. So today we are going to make a very simple Christmas tree cupcake. And you do not need a waffle cone for this, though of course, if you want extra height in there, you can definitely put that in there. You could also do this with a strawberry if you'd like as well. To start off, I want to make this bottom portion really pillowy and look like it's snow. So I'm using a white buttercream, and today I'm actually using faux Swiss meringue buttercream. You can check out how to make that in the right hand corner. And this does not have as much hold of like an Italian meringue buttercream, but it does the job for what we need it to. I apologize, I don't remember the name of this tip. It's like a 1M tip, but it's slightly different, just a little bit thicker with the holes. So we're just swirling that around and going all the way up to the top. Like I said, faux Swiss meringue buttercream doesn't have as good of a hold as Italian meringue buttercream, but it still really does the job. And then I'm going to place on a bunch of these edible pearls. You can use whatever you would like to, though. If you want to do some fondant decor, I've also seen it where they do some royal icing transfers and they do little Christmas lights, and then you can place them on like that. The key to making this look like an actual tree and not just a regularly iced cupcake is keeping it mainly in the center and then making sure you have a larger base and going smaller and smaller as you go up. You just need a small star on the top to really finish it off. I'm using a small sprinkle star, but you can also do this with fondant. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can be part of the Sweetie fam. Right now, I'm uploading every single day for Vlogmas, so be sure to come back tomorrow to see what's next on the 25 days of cupcake decorating. And if you're not quite done with baking content for the day, then be sure to head over to the Bake Down podcast, where I am uploading every single day with Alia for Vlogmas as well. Bye!